Hello everyone, and welcome to my Color Flow and Transitional Merchandising Workshop. Today I'm at the Dortbergen flagship, and I'll be focusing on the holiday burgundy and gray color theme throughout the men's elevated pad. I'll also show you how to blend new arrivals with the current season's unsold merchandise. Additionally, I'll update and elevate mannequin styling, give him a cooler and more relaxed look rather than a stiff appearance. I'll also use rhythm and repetition on the men's free assembly wall, repeating the mannequin's look in the center panel and incorporating jet rails in the surrounding panels. So let's get started. Once we've checked our mod, the next step is to clear the wall. While cleaning the wall, I ensure everything is grouped in size for easy organization. This step helps me visualize the flow of the display and determine which prominent colors to highlight. After clearing the wall, I place the largest items in each style to set the foundation for the display. This helps determining how the colors and items will flow. Once the placement is decided, we begin building outfits on the jet rails. The pattern we create with the burgundy and gray color spans across the entire wall, giving the display a cohesive and attractive look. The wall is then filled in, and we make sure the entire mod is flexed, allowing the store to easily update and the aisle navigation. Next, we reflow the sales floor by organizing mods by category onto separate four-way fixtures, creating an easier shopping experience for customers. For example, one customer stocked up on free assembly basics simply because the layout was much easier to navigate. Now let's focus on the mannequins. First, I unbutton the collar to give him a cooler vibe. I open the shirt cuffs and slightly pull the sweater sleeves to expose the shirt cuff. I love showing the hem of the shirt if the cuff is visible. So I adjust the sweater and add some natural folds and ripples to the clothing and give the mannequin a more relaxed and stylish appearance. Looking across the sales floor, you'll notice the repetition of burgundy and gray throughout, extending all the way to the wall. This repetition captures the customer's attention and encourages them to consider purchasing this colorway. Good luck out there as you incorporate these merchandising tips into your store.